APM LEAD Synergize brings together financial and operational experts to revolutionize asset investment planning. When these two forces align, organizations achieve greater efficiency, smarter investments, and sustainable growth. Welcome to APM LEAD Synergize Conference and Exhibition 2025, where industry leaders unite to build asset value through a shared vision of finance and plant management. Engage in hands-on workshops, dynamic discussions, and exclusive networking opportunities. Hear first-hand experiences from industry professionals and discover how APM LEAD shapes their strategies. Don't miss out on this transformative event. Register now and be part of the future of asset investment planning. APM LEAD 2025, Synergize, where vision meets value. See you there.